Okay, so right now we're going to program new key for Porsche Cayenne 2016. We read information out of the BCM, which is right there on the right side. And what we need to do is we're going to go to generate dealer key, start programming, generate key. This is the mask ID 1N35H. It's on the big chip inside. Going to load the EEPROM. This is it. This is what we read earlier. This is the slots that's available. We're going to choose number 3. We're going to put the key in the coil. Again. Okay, we're going to save the EEPROM file. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think we have to boost the car. A second. Let's see. Choose one. Again. We're gonna load the EEPROM data. Choose one. Ignition is on. Clearing one key. That's it. I think you need some gas. We have nice music in the background. Successfully learned. Boom. Car is on. Everything is good. Urgent Locksmith in the field. (2016) Porsche Cayenne. Successfully done. Oh, it's so comfortable. Done. All done.